Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome video which is an Italian dish. It's made with chicken and some tomatoes and cheese. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need chicken breasts. I'm using 700 grams. And then slice it into thin layers. I got 7 slices. Then you'll need to add some salt and pepper and some Italian spices. To give it the flavor, you should massage the spices in. And do the same thing on the other side. Add some butter into your baking forms and you can add now your chicken. This is the way that I distribute the chicken. But it looks like cups. After, add a cherry tomato inside. 100 grams of mini mozzarellas cut in half and place it with the cherry tomato. Also, you can add some mushrooms or eggs. Place into the oven in 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. After that, you can plate it when it's still hot, and then you can add some greens on top. This tastes amazing and it's super easy to make. I hope you enjoy this recipe because it's really easy and super delicious. And if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.